How can I check if character in a string is a letter? Python. I know about Iloa and Isapa, but can you check whether or not that character is a letter? For example, is there any way to just ask if it is a character besides doing .iloa or .isapa?
You can use str.isalpha. For example, output.
Return true if all characters in the string are alphabetic and there is at least one character, false otherwise. Alphabetic characters are those characters defined in the Unicode character database as letter, i.e., those with general category property being one of LM, LT, LU, LL, or LO. Note that this is different from the alphabetic property defined in the Unicode standard. In Python 2.x. In Python 3.x. This code work.
I found a good way to do this with using a function and basic code. This is a code that accepts a string and counts the number of capital letters, lowercase letters, and also other. Other is classed as a space, punctuation mark, or even Japanese and Chinese characters.
Output. By using str.isalpha, you can check if it is a letter.
Can't tell isn't